Whoa, what's up, I'm artist? It's your boy Nick D at the Art Gallery, and I just want to really quickly talk about and tell you what the big secret is to being a good barber. Shout out to my client Naja for letting me use him in this video to explain this. So, y'all ready for it? Wait for it. All you need to do to be a good barber is simply care. It starts there. You got to care about what you're doing. And really, you have to care about people, man. I paused this to really so you can see what was going on with his head. I don't have to really explain this, but your amount of care is gonna really give you that mindset of I need to do my thing, not just for you so you can brag and say, man, I got that boy nice. Look how crispy his shit is, but so that the client can feel good about himself when he leave the barbershop. This man got home, I'm sure, and probably damn near dropped a tear. I was just pointing out his edge. You see how far back that is. God, there's not much to explain. I'm pulling it back to really show you, how uneven it is. He didn't pick his hair out. He just went to chopping. Took the butcher knife out the motherfucking, excuse my language. Took the butcher knife out the drawer and just started swinging with a blindfold on, basically. That's completely disconnected, no fade. But man, all you need to do is care, bro. It's just as simple as that. I mean, and that can take you really far in doing anything. I think that's what's wrong with this world today, man. Nobody gives a shit about what they're doing, and they just want to make a dollar. What are you chasing the bag for? If you're gonna do that without care, then that's all you're gonna be doing. It's hustling. Hustle with a purpose, man. Don't just get some money, because after you spend that shit is gone. And if you're doing work like that, man, you ain't gonna last long at all, man. You might as well put them clippers down right now and find you another career. But man, check that out. You know what I'm saying? Got the boy nice. In the background, you hear my boy Vinny Vendetta. And this is his single. He just dropped it on iTunes. Let it ring. Y'all go get that. And I'm gonna let y'all peep the whole thing out. So here you go. Like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think about this cut, man, and what you thought about what I just said and the song.
Was when we started, we was getting loose off that Bacardi. You be at every club, every party, so why the fuck would I wipe you up? That would be retarded. Begging my pardon, sorry my darling. Assumptions that you make it while my place is adjacent, I don't make bargains. Please don't get complacent, bitch, I know that I'm amazing. If I want something, I take it, you making the fakest faces. And I'm feeling fresher than I ever been. Feeling like the motherfucking president. It's so hard that a nigga like me having since my sermons like a reverend, flow forever and ever. Yo, bitch, it on my phone, but I just let it ring. She tell me that she love me, I don't feel a thing. Told her I'm a nightmare, but I let her drink. You knew just what this was, so ain't no blaming me. Yo, bitch, it on my phone, but I just let it ring. She tell me that she love me, I don't feel a thing. Told her I'm a nightmare, but I let her drink. You knew just what this was, so ain't no blaming me. You knew what this was, you knew what this was, you knew what this was when we started. You knew what this was, you knew what this was, you knew what this was when we started. Bitch, it on my phone, bitch, it on my phone. Just leave me alone, just leave me alone. I'm sorry for the lies, sorry for the fake, sorry for that look I left up on your motherfucking face.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.